Are you tired of the same old breakfast? Is cereal getting boring? Day after day, the same routine can make mornings feel dull and uninspiring. Do you crave something tasty and healthy? Something that excites your taste buds and fuels your body for the day ahead? We all want the perfect way to start our day. A breakfast that brings joy and energy, setting a positive tone for everything that follows. Finding the right breakfast can be tricky. With so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to choose. It needs to be quick, delicious, and good for you. But don't worry, you don't have to settle for bland or unhealthy choices anymore. I have a fantastic solution: yogurt bowls. Packed with nutrients, customizable to your taste, and incredibly easy to prepare, yogurt bowls are the perfect answer to your breakfast woes. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a delightful start to your day. Yogurt bowls are my favorite breakfast treat. They are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize them to suit your taste and dietary needs. They are super easy to make. All you need is some yogurt and your choice of toppings. You can go for fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or even a drizzle of honey. Plus, they are healthy and yummy. The combination of creamy yogurt and fresh toppings makes for a satisfying and nutritious meal. You can whip up a yogurt bowl in just a few minutes. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy breakfast. Yogurt bowls are packed with goodness. They provide a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Yogurt is full of protein and calcium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining muscle mass and bone health. These nutrients keep your bones strong and your tummy happy. A good breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the day. Fruit adds vitamins and sweetness. You can experiment with different fruits like berries, bananas, or even exotic options like kiwi and mango. Adding nuts and seeds not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value with healthy fats and fiber. So, next time you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious breakfast, remember that yogurt bowls are the way to go. Making a yogurt bowl is simple. It's a delightful way to start your day or enjoy a healthy snack. The best part? You can customize it to your liking. First, grab your favorite yogurt. Whether you prefer plain, vanilla, or something with a bit of flavor, the choice is yours. Greek yogurt is extra creamy and packed with protein, making it a great option for a filling meal. Add a generous dollop to your bowl. The base is now ready for some delicious toppings. Next comes the fun part: toppings. Let's start with fruit. Fresh fruits not only add natural sweetness, but also a burst of color and nutrients. Berries are always a winner. They are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are bursting with flavor. They add a delightful tang and sweetness to your bowl. You can also add chopped bananas or mango for a tropical twist. These fruits bring a unique texture and taste, making your yogurt bowl even more exciting. Section 4. Topping Mania. Now, let's get creative. Sprinkle some granola for a satisfying crunch. Nuts and seeds add a healthy boost. A drizzle of honey brings sweetness. Want more excitement? Add a swirl of nut butter or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. Section 5. Get your bowl on. Yogurt bowls are the perfect way to start your day. They are easy, healthy, and endlessly customizable. So ditch the boring breakfast routine. Grab a bowl, your favorite yogurt, and let's get creative. Make your own yogurt bowl masterpiece. You'll be amazed by how delicious healthy can be.